Hello everyone. Thank you all so much for joining me for another episode of Healthy Helpings. Today we'll be creating a dish that you've probably had before, however you've never thought about making at home. It's super easy. It requires a blender or food processor, or if you like your hummus on the chunky side, you can also do it by hand or with a hand mixer. So I'm gonna go wash my hands for 20 seconds and I will be right back. All right, so our materials include a can opener, a colander, can't forget our handy dandy cutting board, a few measuring utensils, sharp knife, a small bowl, and whatever you have at home to mix up your ingredients. I'll be using a blender today. So here's what you'll need. 1 clove of garlic. You'll just peel off the clove from the bulb. You need 1 large lemon. Your garbanzo beans, of course, also called chickpeas, and I've already rinsed and drained the garbanzo beans here. You'll need low-fat plain yogurt, a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and a pinch of cumin. A 1/2 cup of warm water. Also, an optional ingredient can include a red bell pepper. Okay, so now we'll get started with our clove of garlic. We have the bulb here. We literally just peeled off the clove. And what I like to do is sort of put my knife directly over the garlic and give it a hard press. You can hear it cracking. And essentially what this does is helps to remove the paper from around the garlic. Nice hard press there, and you can see it already sort of peeling off. It's a fun trick to getting the papery part off of the garlic. And then I'll snip off the ends of the garlic there. And we're keeping our fingers safe the entire time, so we just want to make sure that we have a good handle on it. And I'm just going to give it a nice, good mince. And I can already smell the freshness of this garlic. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so good. It's much, much different from your garlic powder. It adds way more powerful flavor to your dish, so this is essential for our hummus today. Another thing I just love about garlic is that it adds a lot of nutritional value to whatever you're making. It combats like your common cold, lowers cholesterol, it boosts your immune system. Definitely an essential part to our dish. So I'm just gonna give it a nice good mince. I'm gonna just rock my knife back and forth with our garlic. Ooh, it smells so good. Okay, and so the star of our dish are garbanzo beans, also called chickpeas. They're really, really great. I've rinsed them and drained off all those preservatives that may be found in the can, like the sodium. So they're all set to go to be added to our blender. And you guys are gonna love these. They're really popular in the Middle East and have been for thousands of years. And one of my favorite things about garbanzo beans or chickpeas is that they add a lot of nutritional value and a lot of protein. So it's a great substitute for those of you who are vegetarians. They reduce high blood pressure, and the list goes on. So we'll be adding these to our blender. All right, so we're almost done. I'm gonna be adding our yogurt to our blender here, just like that. All of our olive oil, salt and pepper. It's gonna go in just like that. Oh goodness, it smells so good. Can't forget about our lemon juice. Our garbanzo beans, of course. garlic, just put over to the side. Add that on top there. And then we're all set to blend. I'm gonna put the top on. And there you have it, super easy. All right, so here's our final product, a creamy bean dip. I'm gonna be enjoying my hummus today with my favorite whole grain pita chip, but you can try hummus with your favorite vegetable. It could be carrots or broccoli or cauliflower inside a sandwich or even on a wrap. So make it your own and have fun. I thank you guys so much for joining me for another episode of Healthy Helpings on a Budget, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy cooking!